Oh, me being a bacon and him, that was terrible, bro. We suck at dead wheels. Well, we're playing a game which we're gonna do something right. We should not. Don't press the button 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Dead Wheels is so much fun, though.
Let's do like a leaderboard. Okay?
I'm pressing the button. Get on the pad. Get on the red pad. Get on the red pad.
Wait, we didn't start yet.
Yes, we did.
We're gonna see who wins more. Okay? We're gonna start after
I already
this.
won.
We're gonna start after this, okay? To see who can win, okay?
Yeah.
So, we'll see who's better. Like I'll draw line equals 1 point. Oh, my handwriting on this is terrible.
Yeah, I know. Your handwriting is always really terrible. You know, my handwriting is... Everybody died. Oh, I won it.
Okay, now, if you win, yeah, we're gonna get the points, okay?
Yeah.
Well, why should we win?
Alright, today we're going to play Don't Press the Button 4.
Oh, remember, subscribe, bro.
Yeah, subscribe.
It's like, don't press the button, but do press the subscribe button, though. That's the type of button you click. This is easy.
Yeah. Don't forget to say to people to subscribe to my channel.
Oh, you heard him? He said to subscribe to his channel. Okay, this count had no one because it didn't say.
Yeah.
Oh, we had to find the pink boss. I
already found you. Where is this paintbrush? Oh, found it.
How I got the wrong tool? Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb.
My tape come out.
What do you need? Hammer. Hammer time. Thank you for bringing my hammer.
It was your blueprint.
Here you go.
Huh? And here's your hammer.
Thank you for bringing me. Yo.
Oh.
Okay, we both got a point.
Okay, yeah.
I swear.
Yeah, we both got a point.
Okay, I get the points, yeah? And at the end of the video, you'll see who
I'm
wins.
so tall.
So
I'm so tall, man.
I don't know, I'm just built to win.
I'm a player.
I am this vacation.
I love vacation. Now I'm gonna do my smoothie.
I have hot sauce. Oh, I'm hot. Yo, that makes me fast. That is useful. I should have used this. Okay, so. Okay. Oh, that takeaways are hot though. Oh, why am I drinking?
Something is odd. You know why?
No, football. It's not soccer, it's football.
Yeah, it's football.
Yeah.
Right?
Right? How are you dying? Okay, that didn't count as any. Because that is too easy. What this? No? Let's both drink it, okay?
I don't even have the drink.
Just click on this drink.
It's the Grimace Shake.
Grimace Shake? How is that?
I love the Grimace Shake.
What's the signal? Mmm. Mmm.
You know when you drink so much you become blue.
Yeah, I'm not blue, I'm purple though. Oh, you keep the drink. Oh, we're on different teams. One of us is gonna get the point.
Each other.
Yo, I'm drinking my hot sauce. Oh, what the hell? No. What is it? I'm gonna score. No, guys. I'm drinking hot sauce. Oh, don't. I'm gonna die, sir. I want. Oh, no one won, bro. What? Guys should let me score. No, bro. You already died. Oh, it's like rivals, but instead of guns, it's a snowball. Guys, how does snowball kills people?
They already made a video of rivals today, man.
Oh, I know.
They comment on it.
Bro, I can't aim. I don't know how to aim. Look, is it just going through there? Bro. Oh, no. Bro. I died. None of us got.
Wait. I wanna show you an emote. I wanna show you a cool emote.
No.
I'm pressing the button. Watch out for sparks.
Oh.
If I die,
I'm drinking hot sauce. I'm becoming hot. I'm whistling. I'm a wizardly bear, bro. Pew, pew, pew.
No,
You're swimming.
I'm kicking, bro.
Oh, it actually shoots people off the map. I have to.
Hey, I'm going to show you a cool emote. I'm going to fly. Flying. I have another really cool emote. Huh?
I need to drink some hot sauce.
Huh?
Shoot him off the map.
Hey,
Shoot him off the map. Shoot him. Kill him.
Huh?
No, I'm shooting the other people. I can't believe. Yo, I killed someone. Yo, I won.
Because no.
Bro,
Bro, do you want to see a cool emote? Nah, bro, why?
I'm exploding. Yes, I won. I don't know how I won. I've got another point, guys. Yo, I actually beaten it. Oh, guys,
Yes. Hey, do you want to see a cool emote for real this time? Look, I'm flying.
Oh yeah, there's something called V-Pretty. I thought you can go through walls with that.
I didn't fall off. I forgot that.
Wait, let me do an emote. Yes. I'm just. Let's see.
I have that emote. I literally have that emote.
Let me see if that actually off.
Wait, I'll show you. Look.
She's a side.
Which side? Okay, I'm shooting the blue side. If I die, you die as well.
I died. Gun, pew.
Hey, do you want to see? Wait. Look at this teammate. I also have it. But do you have this emote?
This one.
But do you have this emote?
Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't care about my emote. Guys, don't fall. Guys, so I drink my hot sauce. Yo, I'm being rude to all of you. I saw you. I killed that. Did you see how many people I killed? Did you see how much people I killed? This thing is this guy flying. Died. I literally shot like everyone else. You want me to tell you how everyone died? Because I shot them.
Yeah, did he buy it?
Yes.
Did he buy something? Or did he get it free?
Free. It's from the shop. I'm just kidding. Oh, don't buy it though. Oh my god. guys,
I'll give you 1,000 votes.
for what?
If you
Share. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's just
well, it looks like you.
one
Oh, I
place.
guess you're not getting 1,000 Roblox. I guess you're not getting 1,000 Roblox.
Oh yeah.
Which dinosaur? Oh hell. No. I already got. How did he get that gun?
Yo, I am drinking hot sauce. That means I'm gonna be faster. I shot someone. Yo, guys, chat. Yo, I don't know. I forgot how I got this gun. I'm not joking.
What? Oh my.
I'm actually gonna make some people wait. Okay, look.
No. Oh my god, I died.
You only have 1.1.
Oh, it's green light, red light. That's an instinct. No, it's accident.
Oh, I'm moving like. You see how OP this thing is? I got. Yes, I won.
How did you even get him up?
Cause I drank the hot sauce. It makes you fast.
How did he get that hot
Guys,
sauce?
I'm gonna violate. Bro, I cannot see. Ew! I'm just hot.
Some mine everything. I bought the white. Let's see. Oh, I have the infinity one.
Oh yeah, I already earned 1 point. Guys, get up. How, man? I'm getting violent. What's that, bro? I'm way too good.
No.
Get out. Yeah, we're
My
good.
special hot sauce.
Bro,
I died.
Wait,
I have pizza now.
you have pizza?
But you don't have pizza, man. If you
Get out, guys.
No, you get out.
Oh my gosh.
No.
I'm dying.
No. Yes. Good job. Yeah, did that. Good job. Yeah, did that. You get out.
Oh,
Yes. You have the most points. Have the most points.
I want to do it, but I kind of don't want to do it. It's just going to be for one video. I'll be damn off it. Guys,
It's actually really fun.
I'm actually going to... Yo, this is a hack. This is a hack. Yo. I'll press the button.
I jumped.
Okay. Yo, guys,
I'm just talking to you. The only reason I'm following you because you always win. Nah, bro, we lost.
Bro, how did I lose this, man? I'll be honest, but I was legit doing a hack thing. Oh no.
Oh hell no. Oh, you weren't supposed to touch it? Bro. Nah, you winning, man. Nah, dude, you're actually winning, man.
There's a chance you can catch up.
How on earth? I bought a Bloxy Cola.
Pew pew. I'm missing this so badly. Ooh. Chat, bro. Oh, this is not even a live stream. No one. I did not touch that. How did I touch that? Ooh, enter the mysterious cave. Oh, guys, I need to drink my spice hot sauce. Chat, bro. You're so.
That was cooked? You said I was cooked.
Chat, I'm winning. You know how badly I'm winning.
Yeah, so far you're actually winning, man.
I'm winning so much.
Look at my big forehead.
I know. Okay, not good. I have a big forehead myself.
Look at my green forehead. Oh, okay. Don't follow me, guys. Why are you?
You shooted. I didn't even shoot. Yo, I killed one person.
Bro, you have an advantage.
I actually forgot. I'm built giga. You know
Bro, you actually have an advantage, man.
My
You
guys, hello guys. I'm weeds cutting. Get ready for a math question.
It's gonna be 17.
Done. Guys, I'm so smart.
No, I am.
Did you get?
I thought you were supposed to type in your. Oh. Okay.
I already died. I think you're gonna. On him did
No, you were wrong. How did I already die?
Because you're bad.
Sure about that. Sure.
Yo, this person's so bad. Die. You deserve to die.
You're actually growing so hard, man.
Oh.
So I have And how am I supposed to survive the fire? Hell no. You. Oh, bro, it's serious now. Bro, no, bro, you actually have an advantage.
You're dead.
Yes,
You deserve to die.
Die. You die.
He sucks.
You have that advantage.
Yes, I killed him. I'm.
I wish I had the gun that you had.
It's not for real, but guys.
Oh, repair. I need to repair this. No, repair.
Guys, I fixed one.
And how are you supposed to?
Man, you could have got
I
so
fixed
much
2.
wins.
I fixed 2.
I fixed like 3. I
No.
Chat.
I fixed 3 now.
Chat.
I fixed 4.
Guys, you're actually going. I'm staying up here.
I fixed 5. Fixed 6.
I'm just AFK. I'm going to sleep.
Fixed 6. Fixed 9.
Should I actually do this? Should I do this?
Yeah, because we're going to both die.
No, nothing. I said nothing. I definitely wasn't about to buy a flying cloud. Actually, don't buy it.
That's actually so hard.
Whoa, I need to.
Actually, how much do you have?
6, 7.
6? Do you still have 7?
I have 8.
Me too.
Oh, look at me.
How much do you have?
Oh my gosh. Someone got 12. I needed 3 more to win. Guys, this is the last round. Whoever wins this gets 10 points, okay?
The bright red bulb.
Yes, I won.
Right.
So far I'm getting. Okay, I'm gonna get 5 points if I win this, okay? You would get 10. So you better get them. Okay, oh, okay, you won, so we're gonna be tied. We both have 11 points.
Yeah.
Whoever wins the next round wins it. Ooh. So
I'll call you first. I'll call you in an hour. I have to go.
there's one more round, okay, after this. Okay?
Kita kalian around the Ganama. Okay, one more round. Then I have to go eat. Then I have to do my
The most beautiful thing
thing.
I've seen in my
Then I have
life
to do
is
something.
a banana next to a banana. Pizza.
Actually, this didn't count as a round. Okay, this one is.
I already died. Okay, you won.
Oh, oh my gosh, guys, I won. I'm just a goat, guys.
Okay. Bye, guys. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day, man. I'm happy.
Yeah. Okay, I'll call you in an hour. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I'll call you in an hour. Okay.
Okay.
In 1 hour. I'll
Have
call
a
you.
good day, everybody. Peace.